Today I'm working on a 73 GMC Astro. I'm going to try to make this toolbox more useful on the side. There's a cover on it, but it's bolted on. I don't know why they did that. It's good, useful space. It's raining right now, but I'm still going to do it anyway. Here's the box I'm talking about. Right on the side under the battery tray. But yeah, they got it bolted on, and this cover just comes off as one piece, but I really want this to be useful space because right now the only storage you've got, which at least you've got this, is on either side. You have a storage box, and there's plenty of room, but more space is always useful. First thing to do is take the cover off. Looks like they just sliced it and bent it. But I'm going to get a straight edge on each line, each piece of this metal. And I'm going to put some kind of a lock down here at the bottom. I don't know what I'm going to use yet. I'll probably just weld all of it on there. I was cutting on this side for a minute, but I realized the other side's just a straight edge, so I'm just going to flip it around backwards instead of cutting it all the way straight. Well, about the best it's going to get on that side. Now, if you're curious who to blame my welding skills on, I was actually trained professionally. No, that's a lie. I was trained by myself. I'm just guessing and hoping it works, basically. But usually I get away with it. I mean, this isn't critical anyway, so it's not like it matters that much. Fire speed up. Fits on there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's gonna work fine. It's gonna work just fine. I'm pretty much finished welding it up. I figured I'd spare you from that. It was pretty rough. My work is, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to weld the hinges on either side. I'll start with that one and move to that one on the right hand side. Alright, so let's test fit this. See what it'll look like. That's just fine. Right about there. I'll hold the plate up and tack it to this plate. I just went ahead and tacked the plate where I wanted it, and now I'm going to do these hinges. A lot easier. Man, I gotta get this welder set up right and having a fit with it. I'm finally putting the gloves on. I've had my fingers burned one too many times. off a little bit better. Now comes the fun part, fixing my crap work. A little better. Well, that was irritating. Let's do it again. Test it out before I weld it all the way on this one. Oh yeah, that works great. Works perfect, look at that. Covers the whole box up. Smooth. Let's get that welded all the way. Alright, I believe I got it ready. See what we can do now. I think I got the welder set up right. Oh, okay. Just got it finished. Look at that. Watch this. Look at that. Works perfect. Awesome. So now I got to figure out a way to latch it. Kind of what I'm thinking is a hasp on the bottom here. You just put a padlock through it. I can't think of anything else that's easier than that, but I don't have a padlock right now, but I can get it set up at least. Well, I thought I had a hasp in my miscellaneous junk drawer, but all I got's I had the hinges, but that's it. So let me go and get those, and I'll be back in a minute. Got the hasp I needed, $5. Go put it on. All right. Let's go ahead and weld this thing on. Get this over with. Looking good. Working good, look at that. Lock that bad boy up. Easy. Alright, I'm going to get it welded and I'll show you the finished product in a minute. And here's the final product. Got it welded pretty good. About as good as I can get it at least. Hinges are up. I'm going to pretty them up and dress them up a little bit, but it is currently, I don't think you can see it, raining, and it's going to get worse probably, so gonna leave it alone now. I'll show you. Pull it out and flip it up. Works smooth. Now I gotta do something about those rust holes there. I'll probably just make a new bottom for it at some point, but for now, it's good. I'll probably just store some fluids in here. I don't want to put anything delicate because, well, it's basically, as you can see, it's kind of an open experience. So, nothing sensitive in here, nothing expensive in here. Got my padlock. Let me get it in place. See? You can just lock it down. Look at that. Smooth. There you go. Well, since it's raining, I can't paint it or do much more to it, but hopefully it won't rust up too bad or get too wet. I may cover it with a tarp, but I don't have a garage big enough to park this thing in, unfortunately. So anyway, I guess that's it for now. Thanks.